Good evening, everyone. I'm Pushpa, faculty of Button But Tutorials. We had met in the last sessions, so hope you all remember me. Yes? Yeah, happy to see you all again. So I welcome you all for today's online live session. So today Button But team is here to give you an online coaching that is about the Cynic syllabus, the last part, that is GK. So in last session, you had met my colleagues Arpita ma'am and Bindu Madhav sir. They had taught you about the English and the science. So how was the session? Yeah, can I get a reply? Are you all active? Good. Yeah, good. Okay. Yeah. Okay, nice. Yeah, it was nice. Even I was enjoying that. Fine. Students, so there is one information for you here. I'll call your names, okay? So when I'm calling your names, just in the chat box, you just chat with me which school you're and you're from which area, okay? So first is Bhavish. Bhavish, can you just chat with me? That is which area and which school you're from? Yes, Bhavish, are you here? I can't send messages to everyone. Yes, Samarth, you can't send the messages to everyone. You can send me privately. Okay, Bhavish is from TCU's video. Okay. Good, Bhavish. Thank you for it. Yes. Next is Daksha. Yes, Daksha. How are you? Yes, Daksha. How are you? Yes, Pranav. I'll come back to you. Daksha, are you here? Are you there? Okay. Let me meet Daksha later. Yes, Disha. You're from what school? And okay, Pranav, can you just tell me the area? Which area? Can you just message me? Which area you are from? Yes, Daksha. Yes, Disha. You also just tell me the area, Disha. Okay. Pranav. Okay. Good, Pranav. Yes, Gagandeep. Hi. How are you? Tushar. Yes, Tushar. I'll make a note of it. Yes, Gagandeep. Where are you, man? I can't see you here. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, which area, man? Can you just tell which area it is? You're all busy in eating snacks, huh? Okay, good, Gagan. Guruvendra. Hi, how are you? Can you just tell me which school and you're from which area? Yes, you cannot unmute, yeah. You can just chat with me. Um, yes, are you here, Guruvendran? It's okay, Tushar. Don't unmute. You can chat with me. Daksha, can you just send me which school you're from? Daksha, which school? Okay, thank you, Daksha. Yes, Guru Women is not here. Okay, fine. Let me move on. Hemant, you're from which school? Oh, you're so active. Which area? Okay, fine. Thank you, Hemant. Yes, Lalit. Lalit, where are you? Are you here? Yes. Which school, Lalit? You're from which school and which area? Okay, fine. Thank you, Lalit. Yes. Sri Ramachandra. Yeah. Hi, man. How are you? Wow, so active. I think you had kept it typed, right? So as soon as I asked you just send it me. Yeah, that's good. Bright student, yeah? Yes, ma'am. Yes, I was expecting this. Okay, thank you. Next is Girish. How are you, Girish? How is your correct and teaser going on? Are you there? Or busy in typing? Girish. Okay. Let me come back again. Okay, Pranav. Pranav. Pranav, can you tell me you're from which school? Pranav. I think you had slept off. Okay. Rohit. Okay, okay. Yes, Pranav. It's been done. Rohit. Ma'am, what should we do? I think you can wait for a few minutes with the patience. Okay. Rohit. Yes, Rohit. Hi from my side. Tell me you're from which school and which area? Fast. You have to be fast. Come on, quickly. Which school, Rohit? Type it fast. Let me see your typing speed. Okay. And yes, fine. So which area, Rohit, that is? It is in which area? Okay, fine. Next is Samarth. Hi, Samarth. Samarth, wow. You just sent it me the whole address. What is your name? Yes, Samarth, I'm Pushpashri. I had taken you the first session, right? Hope you were not there. Okay, fine. Thank you, Samarth, for your information. Yes, Tushar, now your job. So you were asking what we have to do. Yes, tell me your school name and your address now. Fast, let me see how fast you are. Tushar, come on. I was there in the first session. Yes, Samarth, you were there in the first session. Okay. Tushar, where are you? You were asking me so many questions and now you're so quiet. What happened, huh? Fine. Let me move on. Fine. So hope you all had given your information, right? If not, just tell me which are all those names. Everyone has given me the information now? Anybody is left out? Arush. Arush. Arush is there? Are you there, Arush? Pranav, yes, ma'am. Yeah. Tushar. Okay. Which school, Tushar? Can I know your school name? Hey, you are sending your home address, man. Tell me your school address, huh? School name. Okay. Okay, Govind Goda. Hi, how are you? You're from what school? Can I know that? Arush, can you just tell me your school name? Okay, fine. So hope you all, okay, Govind, you have raised your hand. Yeah, tell me, ma'am, you can chat with me, Govind. Sri Chandra. Mom, is the school address or home? Hey, no. I was just asking your school name. That's all. Ma'am, what to do? Why, Tushar? You are so bored enough, huh? Okay, fine. Okay, if you have not sent me your school names, so just please send me that. I'll be there in touch with you. Okay, fine. Let me move on to today's session now. So yes, can we move on? Okay. Fine. So today I'll be discussing with the syllabus of GK, that is general knowledge. So hope you all are having the general knowledge. Yes. So fine. So in this general knowledge, so till now we had discussed the 4 parts of Sainik School, right? The first part, let me rewind it quickly. The first part was mathematics. So, ma'am, science is different and GK is different. Yes, Tushar, it is different, where GK is all about the socials, where you are going to study geography, civics, history. So, about all these things you will be studying, okay? So, yes, let me keep your chat box aside and let me talk with you first. So, the first part was mathematics, and the second part was science. The second part was your intelligence test, and the third part was science, and the fourth was which one? Which was your fourth part? Tell me now. English, right? Yes, good, Pranav. Your fourth part was English, and your last part, that is fifth part, is GK, that is general knowledge. So, what is this general knowledge? So, let me come back quickly over here. Fine. So here, what are the marks allocation? How the marks are allocated in GK? So there will be 25 questions. How many questions will be there? There will be 25 questions, and each question is going to carry 2 marks. So 25 questions, each question carries 2 marks. Totally, it consists of 15 marks. Okay. So this is your marks allocation. So when I come to syllabus, ma'am, what are all the chapters will be there? So people were asking me, is it different from science or is it included from science? It's totally different from science. So the syllabus part, what are the chapters will be there? So your first chapter is Indian history. So where you're going to study about the histories and all. And you can just make a note of your chapters over here, okay? So second chapter is famous personalities of the freedom movement. So this is your second chapter, and the third chapter is Indian Constitution, and the fourth is the universe. Fifth is the world geography. Fifth is world geography. Sixth is geography of India. Seventh is environment and ecology, and the eighth is United Nations. So you have only 8 chapters. From these 8 chapters, you will be getting 25 questions. Fine. So yes, let me move on next. So what are all the things will be there? So first, when I come to Indian history, this is your first chapter, right? So in Indian history, what are all the things that we are going to study? So in Indian history, it totally deals with the oldest civilization. So listen to me properly. So Indian history totally going to define with the oldest civilizations. So can you just name any one civilization which we had? Any one civilization you can name. Fast, quickly. We don't have much time. Come on, quick. Any one civilization? Harappan civilization. Yes, Samarth. Indus. Yes, Bhavya. S. Bhavesh. S. Disha. S. Gagandev. Good, good, good. Yes, whatever the answer that you have said me. Yeah, it's good. So next here, we just study about the prehistoric period and historic period. So what are all the things had happened before? So about this we will be studying over here. And also we study about the civilization, scripts and culture. What are all the scripts were there during that period? How was the script was written? What kind of cultures we were having, about all these things. And also we study about the pre-Mauryan and Mauryan age. So what is this? Everything we will be studying in detail when we are going to meet in a class. So when we meet in a class, we are going to study in depth. Okay. And also here we study about the religious developments, art and architecture. How was the trade? So trade is nothing but buying and selling of goods and services. How those things were going on during those periods. So everything we are going to study. And also at the last but not the least in this chapter, we are going to study about Gupta, and also with the post-Gupta age, its literacy source, administration, inscription, who were the rulers in Gupta dynasty, about all these things that we are going to study here. So this is about your first chapter, that is Indian history. So in Indian history, we are going to study all these topics. Apart from this, we are going to study about Anglo War and also first battles, what are all the battles were took place, and how was the freedom struggle during this period, and who was the famous rulers, what is Jainism, so what is Buddhism, and how was the oldest civilization was there. About everything you are going to study in this chapter, that is your first chapter, Indian history. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me now in the syllabus part. Any doubts you have? No, 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 no. Yes, good. Fine, let me move on with your second chapter. Which is your second chapter? That is famous personalities of the freedom movement. So who were all the peoples were there in the freedom movement? So about this we will be studying over here. So when I come to famous personalities in the freedom movement, can you just name any one freedom fighter? Any one freedom fighter. Who is your favorite freedom fighter? Oh, Mahatma Gandhi ji, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Gandhi ji. Sultan. Yes, Bhavesh, good answer. I was expecting this. Next, Gandhi ji. So, okay, most of the answers I'm getting as Gandhi ji. Bhagat Singh. Wow. Together, Gagandeep and Vishnu has said me together. That is Bhagat Singh. Good. Tilak, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Okay, oh, okay, fine. So here in this chapter, we will be studying about that only. That is about Dadabhai Naoroji, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, or Gopala Krishna Gokhale, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sarojini Naidu, Rabindranath Tagore. About all these famous personalities, we will be studying in this chapter. Fine. India has made by the contribution of several leaders from the ages. So there are several leaders in India. Okay. Oh my God, who's this yaar? Samarth. Good man. He has sent me half page list. I'm so happy to see this. Okay. Yeah. Uh, it's okay. It's okay. So yeah, now leave this chat and listen to my lecture. Okay. So it's enough now. Okay. Yes. Now India has made by the contribution of several leaders from the ages. These leaders contributed in various spheres of life, which have been of great importance to the Indian society. So what are all the things those people have done? So we are living in that. So now what I'm going to do, you people is going to leave that, and what you people are going to do, your children is going to live in that. So that's the reason how these freedom fighters came, how the history came, how the people started coming from the old era to this era. So everything you start learning in this chapter. So this is about your famous personality, and also here we will study about the list of important personalities. I just say I had just given you the information. What are all those personalities? I just said you the names of few peoples, right? We will be studying about them in this chapter. Fine. So this is your second chapter, that is famous personalities of freedom movement. The easiest chapter, and you will be liking this chapter, I will assure you. So any doubts in this chapter? I mean in the syllabus? No. Okay, if you have any doubt, I'm gonna clear you in your classroom. Fine. Let me move on with your third chapter, that is Indian Constitution. What do you mean by constitution? Any ideas or any guesses? Any guesses you have in Indian Constitution? Can you just tell me? Constitution is a set of rules for India. Yes, Samarth, it is the set of rules. So Constitution is a set of rules where we are going to follow those set of rules and regulations in India, right? So yes, Constitution is the longest written and it is a book. Yes, yes, whatever the answers that you are telling, it is the correct answer. So there is one question for you. Okay, let me see who will answer. And no Google, nothing. No, no, you should not ask with your parents. Okay, so shall I ask the question? Shall I? Yes. Okay. The first country to make the constitution, which is the first country to make the constitution? Tell me, who is very intelligent like me, check out. India. Do you think you're giving me the right answer? No. You're not giving me the proper answer. Think out. Think at once. I can give you a clue. Now it is a developed country. USA. Hey, Pranav, which Google? Google Assistant or Google? Samarth, I know this is Google only. No, no, okay. If you have not used your Google, thumbs up for you. Okay, fine. The USA is the first country to make the constitution. Okay, fine. So here in this chapter, you will be studying about what is constitution, how they are going to set up, how many parliaments will be there in constitution. So about everything related to constitution, we are going to study over here. So here we study about basically of fundamental rights. So can you tell me any two fundamental right? Quickly, fast. Any two fundamental right? No answers, huh? Right to speech. What I am doing now. I have a right to speech. Right to vote. Yes, after 18 years you can vote. Right to equality, right to education. Lalit, it is right, not right. Right to education. Yes, whatever the answers that you are giving, it's correct. So the same thing we will be studying in this chapter. And also here we study about who is vice president, who is the president, and what is Rajya Sabha, what is Lok Sabha, how all these things will be formed, what is judiciary. So about everything in detail we'll be studying in our constitution chapter. So again one question I'll ask with you. So are you all ready for this question? Huh? Shall I ask the question? Yes, yes, yes. Even you have a right to play. You all forgot that. Correct. You have all the rights to play. Right? And just taking your play time. So you're all angry on me. I know. Are you all angry on me? Because I'm just grabbing your play time. Oh, no, ma'am. No, no, no. Okay. So let us play here only because it is Corona time. So indoor game is very important for us, right? Yes, indoor game is very important for us during this time. So let us play indoor only. Let us play in online now. Okay. So are you all ready for the game? Okay, okay, okay. Who is the president in India right now? I don't know the answer, man. Who is the president in India right now? Can you tell me? Googling. All are Googling now. Ramnath Kovind. Good? Pranav, good. I got the answer from Disha. Good, 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 good. Fine. Who is the vice president? Who is the vice president? Who is the vice president? Children's, you should be knowing all this answer because general knowledge consists of all these things. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good. Sri Ramchandra, yeah, you're good. Thumbs up for you. Venkaya Naidu, good. Uh, Enough now. So who is the CM? Who is the CM right now? Who is the CM right now? Chief Minister in Karnataka. Who is the CM in Karnataka now? Yediyurappa. Okay. Okay. The last but not the least question. Very interesting question now. Who is the chief minister in your home? Who is the minister in your home? Mom, dad, or you? Mom, father, dad. Why you are not the chief minister? Huh? Nobody gave you a chance to do that. Mom, dad, no. Why, Samarth? You can become. Okay. Sister, Lalit. Why your sister will be beating you up? Sometimes. Yes. Okay, enough now. So now the game is over. Come back again for the class. So now we'll move on to the next chapter, that is the universe. So what do you mean by universe? Any ideas you have? What do you mean by universe? What do you mean by universe? Any doubt? Space, earth. Okay, okay, okay. I'm getting answers. Good answers over here. Fine. So in this chapter, you will be studying about the solar system, Earth, the space, exploration, how all these things will be formed. So it's all about geography. You will be studying over here. So in this chapter, universe is comprises of everything. My God, Samarth, what is this? Google copy paste answer. Huh? See, the Samarth is telling me the answer. The universe consists of total physical matter, energy existing. It consists of all the stars, planets of the material. The study about the universe is known as cosmology. Yes, this is definitely Google. This is definitely Google. I don't want a Google in my class. I just want your brain to work out. Okay? It's okay. It's okay. Fine. So let me move on with this. The universe comprises of everything that exists from the galactic suspicious clusters to the thinnest subatomic particles, where the radius is about 46 billion light years with the age about 13 to 15 billion years. The solar system is belonging to the Milky Way. Way of galaxy, which consists of sun and 8 planets, and also with the sun draft of the planets, that is photo, asteroids, meteoroids, satellites, and also with the dust cloud. So that is nothing but in universe we are just going to study about all the solar system, how the solar system is there, and what about the Earth, how it has been formed. Okay, okay, Tusha. If it is, I'm good with it. So yeah, Tushar is telling me it's not a Google answer. Yes, if it is not a Google answer, hats off to your answer. I didn't expect it that much answer from you. Hope you are a brilliant student. Okay, fine. So in this chapter, you will be studying about the solar system, Earth, the space, about everything you will be studying in this universe. So what is this universe? Everything we are going to study in depth when we are going to meet it in a class. Fine. Yes. Yes. Are you all fine with this universe? Yes. Okay, fine. Let me move on with your next slide, that is the world geography. So here you will be studying about the whole world geography, that is about the continents, that can be of Africa, Asia, Europe, about everything. And here we study about the oceans, rivers, and also with the energy sources we will be studying in this chapter. So the world geography and Indian geography, how it was being formed, what are the interesting things are included over here. So everything we will be knowing over here. And also we will be studying about the planet Earth. What is this planet Earth? How it has been formed? How many planets are there? So about everything there is a... Yes, I'm going to ask you the question very quickly. Samarth. Yes. Yes, planet Earth will be studying here. And next is continents. How many types of, how many continents are there? As I said, you Africa, Europe. About each and every continent you will be studying over here. Yes, 7 continents are there. Asia is also one in that. Good. Good for your answer. Yeah. And one more thing, I'm observing here, students are concentrating more on charts. So when I'm explaining, listen to me. So when I ask you the question, you can chat with me. Fine? Is it fine for you? Yes. Okay, fine. So let me move on next. Next about the oceans. We'll be studying about the oceans. So how the oceans are there. So how many oceans are there. So about everything we'll be studying. And next is the deepest points in Earth. How many points are there in the Earth? How many deepest points is there in the Earth? And also we'll be studying about the earthquake causes. So if earthquake happens, what is the causes that it's going to happen from it, and what are all the effects of the earthquake, and how the magnitude is been going to be measured. This about this we'll be studying in world geography. And also here we study about the last but not the least, that is major lakes, seas, rivers. So about all these things we'll be studying in this chapter. Fine. This is about your world geography. Yes, fine. Next. So next, the last but not the least, last but one chapter, that is environment and ecology. So what is environment? Tell me now, what is environment? Nature. Yes, environment is the nature surrounding. Nature, nature. People are telling me the same answer. Anything apart from that? Anything? Summer. The environment refers to surroundings are the conditions. Yes, good summer. Yes, good Hemant. Tushar is also good. Vishnu, good. Ecosystem, good. Pranav. Yes, whatever the answers that you are telling me, it is correct. Okay. So here we study about the basics of environment and ecology. What do you mean by ecology? And what are the basics of environments are there? So about all these things that we are going to study. And also here we study about the meaning of environment, that whatever the people that you gave me an answers, right? So that also we'll be studying over here. And also here we study about ecosystem, how the ecosystem has been formed, what is the meaning of ecosystem. So about this we'll be studying. And also here we study about environmental issues and conventions. What are all the issues are there? Can you name any environmental pollutions? How many types of environmental pollutions are there? Can you name that? 6, 4, 5. Just tell me which pollution is that? Okay. Air pollution, water pollution. Good, Summer. You are giving me the good answers. Fine. So about all these things, yes, come back now. So about all these things we'll be studying over here. And also here we study about India and climate changes, how the climate are going to change, how the climates are going to form. About this we are going to study. And also we are going to study about natural resources. Can you tell me any one natural resource? Name any one natural resource. Yes. Good Disha, good Samarth, good Lalit. Good, I have a bright students here also in GK. Fine, whatever the answers that you are giving, it is correct. Thumbs up for you again. So here, the last but not the least, we'll be studying about the wildlife. How the wildlife will be there. How the conservation of the wildlife is going to happen. About this, we will be studying over here. Fine? Okay. So, are you all clear with this environment and ecology? Ma'am, I have a book. Yes, if you have a book, good. Yes, everyone are clear with this. Fine. So, before going to next chapter, so let me ask you one question. So, are you all ready with the question? For this question, are you all ready? Yes. So, shall I ask the question now? Okay. Which is the smallest highway in India? Can you just tell me which is the smallest highway in India? No answers. I think you people are Googling it. No idea, ma'am. Yes. I like your frank answer, Pranav. Any answers? Any guesses? At least you can guess over here. National Highway 65. No, okay. I asked you which is the smallest highway. The smallest highway is NH47A. So that is the smallest highway. Yes, Samarth, your Google gave the right answer. If your brain has given the right answer, I would have happy with that. Okay, fine. Next, I'll move on to your last chapter. So your last chapter is United Nations. So here in United Nations, we are going to study about the members of United Nations. So how many members are there in the United Nations and who are the current leaders over here and which are the 4 major principles, aims of United Nations. What are the main aims that we are going to study here and where is the headquarters of United Nations. This also we are going to study. And also the main thing that we are going to study here is UN agencies, which are some of the UN agencies that we will study. And also here we also study about the international organizations and groups. So how these organizations are formed, how the groups will be. So about all these things that we are going to study. And also here we study about the General Assembly, Security Council, and also the main thing is secretaries. What do you mean by this? What are all the things are included here? So everything we are going to study in this chapter. So if you have any doubts in this chapter, any doubts you have? No. Okay, fine. So if you have any doubts, we are going to discuss that in the class. So, fine. So this is about your chapters, whatever the thing that we had discussed. So now there is one information for you. You people has not given me your school names. Okay, I'll just name out. You just tell me. Girish, you're from which school, Girish? You can chat with me. No, Tushar, you can wait for another few minutes. Yes, Girish, are you there? Okay, fine. So, Arush, are you there? Arush, I'm not leaving and I'll be there here only. Don't worry. Yes, Arush, you're from which school? You're from which school? Can you just tell me once? Which school? Fast, come on, you have to be. You just type again. Arush, can you just type and send me again? And even Priya. Priya, are you there? Yes, Samars, there is a ninth chapter is there, that is general knowledge. It's all about the current affairs which has been going on. So that thing I'm not included just because the current affairs is related to what are all the things are going now. So that one we will be discussing in the class itself. Yes, thank you, Arush. Yes, Priya, are you there? Priya. Yes, Priya, you are from which school, Priya? Can you just tell me you're from which school? You just message me. Guruvendra, are you there? Even you also, just tell me you're from which school? Okay, Renuka, are you there? Okay, Priya, thank you. Can you just tell me the full form of that, Priya? Okay, Renuka, can you just tell me you're from which school? Renuka, are you there? Okay, thank you, Priya. Renuka, are you there? Can you just tell me you're from which school? Yes, Chetas, are you there? Chetas, are you there? You're from which school? Okay, fine. So you can stay for 2 minutes.